I'm going to share my personal investing strategy. Now, everyone's financial situation is different. This should not be taken as investment advice or financial advice, but this is just an example of an investing strategy if you're looking for one. I've read finance books, listened to podcasts, and read articles online, and I decided to invest a lot of my money in the S&P 500 or in funds that follow the S&P 500. The S&P 500 basically is made up of 500 large companies in the U.S. That are on the U.S. trading markets. So it's basically made up of 500 different companies across many different industries. Why I decided to do that was because the S&P 500 over the past 90 years since it was first created has generated an average return of about 10% per year. But that does take into account that some years are recessions, some years the market falls or goes down, some years it goes up. Again, on average, 10% per year. With that track record and average return, I decide to buy a lot of like index funds, ETFs, and mutual funds that have to do with the S&P 500, and I buy it and hold it long term, meaning I am planning to hold it for longer than 5 years, possibly over 10 years, because I don't plan to touch it, and because I feel like in the long term it is going to give me a great average return. That is why I invest in it. Of course, no one can guarantee the future performance of anything really, but based on the past 90 years and the performance of the S&P 500, that is what I am putting a lot of my money toward, and that history will continue to repeat itself decade over decade, and that is why I invest in it.